So I wanted to make a video showing what I'm doing. This is a part one of this. I'm just checking my car to see if it's compatible. Basically what I'm doing is I am changing these seats. These are the leather outside with the cloth insides, and I'm going to change them to have leather seats completely. I found a good I have the back seats for the leather setup already from a previous car, and I'm ordering the front seats from a junkyard which I got for a good deal, about $100 each, and they have heated seat pads in them. Now this car doesn't have heated seats right now, and the FCIM right now looks like this. It's a single zone, no dual zone, and no heated seats. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the upgrade of the 4-inch to the 8-inch screen here, and I haven't decided if I'm doing Sync 2 or 3, but either ways this FCIM is going to change. And the FCIM I bought, all of the ones with the screen have dual zone climate control, and this doesn't have dual zone. So I was looking through this forum to see how to do that, and they've given instructions here on how to get you can't make the car have dual zone, but you can make both the buttons do the same thing. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then we have in this forum, this is 2G Fusions, I'm sure everyone knows this, but in the FCIM they've given the pinout diagram of the two connectors that go to the back of this. And I was checking my car. This car doesn't have heated seats, as I said, and this car doesn't have, but when I was checking the pins, there are no pins here for the second zone. So that tells me, or leads me to believe, that the air conditioning or the HVAC unit in this car is only a single zone one. But it does have the pins for heated seats and cooled seats, which was, I thought that was very interesting, because I've never seen that. I just didn't expect that, because when I went under this seat that I'm sitting on, the passenger seat, this passenger side seat, the seat itself has a harness for the it has an extra plug for the heated seats, but the body harness, the one on the floor that goes like runs over here and on that side and stuff, that harness does not have the pins for heated seats. So now what I'm going to do is find the pin out from the dashboard harness to the body harness and connect those heated seats and get that done, because then I can have heated seats, factory heated seats, without having to like make it look ugly or anything. It'll look original, and I really wanted this. I'm glad that the dash harness has it, and hopefully other people can do this too. Once I've figured out how to do this, I will make a video of this and post it. This is just part one. Part two will be me putting that extra wiring and testing it out. So just stay tuned. Thank you for watching, guys.